Good morning, students. Our next class is learning some problems. First one is phase difference. That one is 2a 25 by t into time difference. Next one is in the word of time t. Next phase difference equal to 25 by lambda into path difference. It is in displacement x. Please, if you check it, it one is displacement, this one is time. Why? Because the wave in the, you see in the two terms, one is time and another one is displacement. In the every wave function we write y equal to x comma t. Please remember it. Then next one is the speed of the transfer wave on stretched string. The transfer wave of its speed is in the stretched string. V means velocity equal to under root of t by mu. In this case, T means tension is one type of force. It is produced whenever some force is stretched on the string. On the string, the force is produced. That force is in general we will call a tension. Please remember it. T means if one type of force. Then second one is mu. Mu means a linear density. Mu means a linear density. It is defined as m by L, means mass by length. Mass by length. Then next one is speed of the longitudinal waves. Speed of the longitudinal waves. It is generally occur in the sound wave. This is we will write like as v equal to under root of y by rho. Y means Young constant or Young modulus. We will learn in the first year. Then rho means mass density. Mass density rho equal to m by v. M by v. This equation we will write another form is correction form. That one is under root of rho p by rho, gamma p by rho. In this case, P means pressure, rho means mass density, gamma means Cp by Cv. This is a radio of specific. It you also learn about in the thermodynamics of the first. Students, you solve some problem. This problem is taken our textbook. That one is example 1.2. In this problem given as a wave traveling along a string is described by y of x comma t equal to 0.005 sine of 8 x minus 30 3.0 t. Then in this given problem you have the find out the first one is amplitude, second one is wavelength, third one is time period and the frequency. Okay, then after that this one calculate the displacement of the y of the wave at a distance x given and time given. This problem you do homework. Then I given the solution of this first one. First one, the given wave function y x comma t equal to 0.005 sine 80 x minus 3.0 t. This value given in the SI units. Please, this equation we will compare with y equal to x comma t a sine kx minus omega t. So first one is amplitude. Amplitude is nothing but a. So first one a equal to amplitude. That one equal to 0.005 meters. We will write like as 5 millimeter. That one is answer. Then B, that one is calculate the wavelength. Wavelength lambda equal to 2 pi by k. 2 pi by k. In the previous we will write as k equal to 2 pi by lambda. This equation we will rewrite like as 2 pi by k. Lambda equal to 2 pi by what is the k value? The k value is 8. 80. So we substitute the value of 2 into 3.14 by 80. We will get answer 7.85 centimeters approximately. Then C. The C1 is time period. Time period T equal to 2 pi by omega. Same 2 pi 2 into 3.14. What's the value of omega 3? So our answer is 2.09 seconds. Then what is the frequency? Frequency f equal to 1 by t. So 1 by 0.29, this value is 0.45 Hz. These are the answer of these problems. Please see, you first you take a given wave function. This wave function compare with the our formula, the formula of wave function. That one is equal to y equal to x comma t. That is equal to a sin kx minus omega t. So compare what is the value of k? K is 80. X means x. What is the omega 3? What is the t? T. Then substitute all of these values and give the answer. Okay, this one is the example problem of the 1.3. In this problem, a steel wire is its length is 0.72 meters and mass is 510 minus 3 kgs, and its tension of the wire is under of tension of wire is 60 newtons. The speed of the transverse wave in the wire, of this problem given the formula is V equal to under root of T by mu. T is given as 60 newtons, but mu equal to M by L, given mass and length. Then substitute values, you get this value, and the same value then put in the V equal to under root of T by mu and substitute the values, get this result.